we have ln of x over 2 that's equal to ln x over ln 2. That doesn't look right. Well, this is not true for all x, but it's true for some x. So let's figure out for what x value can actually make this equation true. The deal is that we have ln of x over 2. This is not the correct way to break it, but if you break it correctly, when we have a division inside, we can write this as ln of the top minus ln of the bottom. And then we continue. The right hand side, this is just ln x over ln 2. So now we have this equation with fraction. Let's just go ahead and multiply everybody by its denominator. So multiply ln 2. This times this, I will just write it as ln 2 times ln x. This times that, I will just say minus ln 2 parentheses square, because this means ln 2 times ln 2. Without the parentheses would be horrible. It will look like ln of 2 squared, like 2 times 2 inside. No. Leave it like this. And then for this, you cannot bring the 2 to the front though. Just keep it like this. And then that will be equal to ln x. Now this is pretty nice because we can put all the x's on one side and all the terms that has no x on the other. Let's move this to here and move this to there. So we have ln 2 times ln x minus ln x, and that will be equal to plus ln 2 squared. And then both of them have ln x. We can factor that out. So that's ln 2 minus 1, and then times ln x. Remember, this right here means 2 inside of the ln, and then the minus 1 is after that. So if you are clear enough, then I think this is clear. Yeah, anyways, this right here is just equal to ln 2 and then square. And now just divide this to both sides. We are looking at ln x is equal to ln 2 squared over, okay, to make this super clear, let's put a negative 1 in the front and then plus ln 2. Now, for sure, only 2 is inside of the ln. And lastly, to get rid of the ln, just do e to this power and e to the whole power cancel. And ladies and gentlemen, I'll just write this down right here. X is equal to e for the base. And let's just keep it like that. Oh, in fact, you can probably write it as like 2 to the some power though. Let me do that real quick. This right here, I'm just going to write it as, okay, ln 2 squared over negative 1 plus ln 2. So this is okay, but this right here is certainly ln 2 times ln 2. So I can exponentiate e to this power first and then do that. So this becomes e to the ln 2 power, like so, and then raised to the rest, which is another ln 2 here, over that thing. And that is just a nice 2. Huh, okay. So it's 2 ln 2 over negative 1 plus ln 2. So I wonder, I think we could have done this with ln 2 for the base. Oh, because this right here is the same as ln 2 of x. I should have like, okay, whatever.